This is an unboxing of Clorox Toilet Wand. Inside there includes one wand, 6 refills, and 1 caddy. Right here it says it's loaded with Clorox cleaner, whatever that means. 4 times powerful cleaning action, kills up to 99% of germs, scrubs under the rim, removes rust, calcium, lime stains, and also deodorizes. So it sounds like something that I would want, maybe to replace the scrubber that I already have. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Before I unbox it, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the side. Right here is a stand that it sits in. It eliminates your dirty toilet brush. The thing kind of can become sort of disgusting because if you think about it, how long do you actually have it? How many times has it scrubbed your toilet? Pretty nasty. I'm going to open this up, but on the back it shows how to assemble it and how to put it together. 1, 2, 3 steps. I'm going to go ahead and assemble it. I'm going to unbox it from right here. Take the toilet wand and then pull it out. Okay, so this is the wand part. I guess this is like the latch. And I'm going to pull out the rest of it. And here's the canister that it sits in. It sits in here. Might have to pull back so you can see it all. And some more things. There's one more thing at the bottom of it. So I think that's it. So right here it comes the canister. Let me see if I can zoom back a little bit. And so here it is. You can see part of the top right here. Lids up like that. So go ahead and pull it out. And so here are the packets right here of the scrub. So what I'm going to do is, there's a caution. You might have to wash your hands. Maybe I recommend using gloves before you open this up. But these actually sit down in there. And this right here is where it locks into place. Like that. So squeeze it right here. I guess it goes something like that. Or maybe just slide it up there and then push that in. It goes in like that. And the wand can sit like this. Or sit like that. Alright. As far as these go, I'm just going to go ahead and open them up. And basically, just sit these down inside of here. And when you're ready for a toilet wand, you just take the toilet thing, go in, and snap it together, and pull it together out like this. And here's the toilet wand. And if you look closely, there's a little bit of Clorox action right here. It looks like some dried liquid that is used for cleaning the toilet. So that's the unboxing. If you stay tuned, if you want to check out the description part of the page, I'll show myself actually assembling the toilet wand for those of you who need instructions. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching. And so when you're done, you just take this, push that out, and put it back in place. Just like that. Let me know if you have any questions.